Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this jar starlight light. It's a really simple project, as most of mine are. And to start off with, obviously you're going to need some sort of jar. Doesn't matter if it's glass or plastic. And you're going to need some aluminium foil or aluminum foil. And we're just going to take the jar and we are just going to basically figure out where the bottom is, how big the bottom is, and we're going to cut that out. We'll just make a little dent and cut it out with scissors. So once you've done that, it'll look like this, kind of, not a very good round shape. But now I'm going to take some duct tape. You can use any colour duct tape you want, but because this is the star one, I thought I'd use the galaxy duct tape. And we're going to cover the circle in that. Thought I'd keep the galaxy theme because it goes with the stars. It'll look good if you use any pattern duct tape or just plain duct tape. Then you want to cut around the outside of it. You should be able to see where the foil is, and you want to leave, I don't know, about a centimetre around the edge. So you've got some stickiness around the edge of the foil. So you peel away the excess, and then you just put this to one side. That's what it will look like. Next you want to get a strip of foil. That will be the same height as the jar. And, oh yeah, by the way, the duct tape has to go on the side that's not quite so shiny. So you don't want to cover up the shiny side. So we're just going to do the same thing as we did with the circle, except we don't want any excess over the edge. So you just cover the back in duct tape. Next you need some sort of cushion or anything you don't mind getting holes in. And we're just going to take a needle and punch loads of holes in the duct tape sheet, all the way across the sheet. So the more holes you have, the more stars that will shine through. And you want to do the same with the top as well, with the round bit. And once you've done that, you want to make some little slits from the foil out to the edge, all the way around the round section. And this is just to create like little tabs to connect this bit onto the other bit. So we're going to take this one, both sections, and we're just going to stick them together. So you're going to take your time with this and put each of the tabs stuck down onto the side until it makes a tube. It's a bit fiddly. You'll get there in the end. And you're nearly done then. So you've got the tube, and then all you have to do with that is stick it inside the jar. You might have to squeeze it a bit if the head of the jar is smaller than the actual body of it. Then once that's in there, you can then put your hand in there and push out the duct tape tube. So that's nice and straight. And all that's left to do is to get one of these little tea lights, battery powered ones. You just place that onto the lid and then screw the lid on, and that's it. That's your light done. It looks a lot better in the dark. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was a really simple one this week, and thanks for watching. Bye!